Login loop error on Digit fix. If you're stuck in a frustrating login loop on the Digit app where you keep signing in, but it never takes you to your dashboard, don't worry. This is a common issue, and the fix is easier than you might think. The surprising truth is that this problem usually isn't with your password. It's often caused by outdated app data or a corrupted login session stored on your device. When that happens, Digit keeps trying to reuse invalid credentials instead of starting a new login. To fix it, start by closing the app completely. Then, head to your device's settings, open Apps, find Digit, and select Storage. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes any old authentication tokens that might be causing the loop. Next, reopen Digit and manually log in with your email and password. Don't rely on saved login or autofill. This forces the app to rebuild a clean connection to its servers. If the problem continues, check that your device's time and date settings are set to automatic. Digit's system relies on real-time verification, and even a small mismatch can trigger a login error. Also, try disabling any VIN or ad blocker temporarily. These tools can interfere with Digit's secure connection, making it appear like your session isn't valid. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you're running the latest version, which often includes bug fixes for login issues. Once you're back in, consider turning on biometric login or two-factor authentication for smoother access in the future. So, if you're caught in a login loop on Digit, remember it's not your password's fault. Clear the cache, check your settings and reinstall if needed. You'll be saving automatically again in no time.